Hello everyone. In this Python session, we will see about what is module in Python or what is Python module, what are the types of it, and what are the advantages of module. Consider one of the example that if I am asking you to prepare a notes of Python on topic control statements, what we will do. Suppose I will be having three options. First option, I will be moving into the library. I will be issuing the Python book. I will be uh, checking for the control statement topic, and from that book, I will be writing my notes. This is first option. Second, if my teacher has given me the notes of unit 1 or the topic of Python control statement, I will use that notes and I will prepare my own. Third option, I will use ChatGPT. I will type input on that and I will try to write down the notes. So, in all these three methods, what we have done, we have used the available data and we have accessed or used that data in preparation of our notes. For example, in library the Python book was already written. What I did, I have just prepared my self notes from that library book. So I have used my ready Python book and I have created my notes. So, in short, I have used available data in my for preparation of my notes so that my time will be saved. Even in second option, I have used the notes prepared by faculty and I have noted down the points to remember and I have prepared this notes by using the faculty notes which have saved my time. Even in the chat GPT option, the data is already available and we are just using that for preparing the notes. Similar way, in Python, there is a concept of module. So, in module, we can write one functionality so that that functionality will be saved in the system and that functionality can be accessed by other users or other programmers in their Python project. So basically, module is one Python file which may be having variable, function, class, object, and performing a particular task. And that module will be used by different Python programmers for their own purpose. Now, this module are of two types, predefined module and user defined module. Predefined module means the modules which are already given in the Python library. We will see that predefined module in Python. Now, one of the predefined module in Python is math. Math. The math module is used whenever we want to perform some mathematical basic core operations. For example, if I want to find out the square root of a number, I will need to write a 3-4 line of code for doing it. Read the number, write the logic for checking or calculating the square root and display the answer. So this functionality is already written by Python developer and its name, the functionality name is sqrt. this functionality name is in Python is sqrt. But where this sqrt function is written, so that Python module name is math, which is already in Python library. Now, if I am writing that if I want to use that math module in my Python code, so how we can do it? Let us see how to include the Python module in our Python code. So I have started this Python IDLE shell. Go to the file menu, click on first option new file. Editor window will be opened, and here we can write. It is like a editor window having title bar, menu bar. Here we can here we can write the Python code and we can save the file. There are these many options available to format this Python code over here in this IDLE app. This IDLE stands for Integrated Development and Learning Environment. Now I am writing here one of the Python code, or you can write that in shell as well. Okay, so we will write that code in the new file. So for including that math module, the name of the module in the Python library is math. To include that math module in my this Python file, first keyword I should use is import. Import is a keyword that is used to include the specified module in our Python code. Okay, now the module is included. Again, which functionality from this math module I want to use. So here I want to print square root of 16. So for calculating square root, the sqrt function is already written in math module. So I have to give its reference over here, that from math module dot I want to use sqrt function. See, these are the different functions of math module. All these functions are of math module that we can use. This These are the functions we will see. So from math, I want to use square root function. In bracket, I am passing a number. Next, suppose as we are creating a Python file, the complete code will be run at once. So if you could see, there is no immediate output after this line. We are writing a complete file and then we are running a complete file at once. And another function that we have is print from math module is power function, where we can calculate a raised to b. You can give any number which will be calculating the power of mentioned number. Another function, if I want to display the factorial of any number, we know that for factorial of a number we need to write a large code, big code. Here you can just pass a number, its factorial will be displayed. Now if we are done with these lines, if I am printing my last line of the code, now the file is created. We can save this file by using save as. Give any name to this file. Suppose I am giving m1, and below you, if you could see, this is a Python file. Automatically click on save. Automatically m1.py, the .py means Python file extension, will appear over here. Now we have written a complete Python file. I want to run this. You can directly go to the run menu. You can click on first option run module. or you can press F5 key of the keyboard. So I am clicking on run module. We will see output on the shell window. See, it is shown. Our code was like, see, this was our code. So the math module is included in our Python file. The first print, it will be displaying screen message. What it will be showing? The square root of 16 is 4. Okay. Power of 2 raised to 3, the answer is 8. Factorial of 5 is 120, and the last line was by. So this is Python module or Python file that I have written in a file, and this complete file is run at once, so we are getting this output at once. There are many functions of this math we can use. Suppose print, in this I have math dot seal. It will be rounding up the values. Then print math dot floor, it will be rounding up the value. Now save the changes, press F5 key, we will see the output. Now see, for this seal, this 56.78, the seal function will round up the mentioned floating value to the highest integer. So after 56, the next highest integer is 57. So it is rounded up to the pure integer number to higher level, and the floor function round up the mentioned value to the lowest integer. So only a dot decimal and the fractional part after decimal will be discarded, and only the integer value will be displayed by this floor function. We can use sine cos functions too. So this was about math module, which is predefined module because it is given already in Python library, and this is how we can use this in our Python code. So hopefully you have understood about module in Python, predefined module in Python, out of which we have seen the math module and its few functions in the Python. Hopefully you have understood the session. See you in the next session. Thank you.